Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi here. YouTube channel covers a lot of all new Outlander stuff and a lot of accessories you can put on your Outlander. There's a lot of Outlander owners who love to deck them out different ways, and today we'll have a look at this. It's this tailgate chrome garnish that puts on the tailgate right here. So basically there's two things you can put on back of the vehicle, so to speak. One is the chrome bumper plate, which I've covered in videos before. But today we'll have a look what's in a box here and how to install it yourself, this tailgate chrome garnish. It's very easy install, just a couple of things you need to know, and that's it. You can do it yourself. So now let's proceed to opening the box and figuring out how to do it. So now let's open the box and check it out how it looks. Always, by the way, you need to have masking tape for this install. We'll see why. You got to put it in place first and then apply it. So basically it looks like this. Very nice looking chrome line like this, and it's gonna go really well together. Let's check it out. It's gonna go really well together with other chrome elements we have in the back here, like this Outlander lettering and the Outlander triple diamond. And then around the super all-wheel control we have chrome here, and then this lower bumper part is kind of like, you know, this silver looks. So once we place this on right here, this will enhance the looks quite a bit. So now let's check it out how to install it. So essentially now, to the easiest way how to apply it, so to speak, we find exactly the spot where we want to be. If you want to find that perfect spot for it to lay on the tailgate, you can, you know, close the tailgate first, line it up, maybe mark it with masking tape where you want to be at, and then go from there. So I lined it up here, I want it here, and then I put this masking tape right here, and that basically helps me to keep it in this position. And then I can just fold it up like this, remove the tape, and I can remove the entire thing. Now after it's removed, very important, take the time. The install process itself, it's pretty easy, but if you rush it, you could be in trouble, because it if it sticks on, it sticks on. So now we remove entire length right here. Okay, now is the most important part, to line up again where it has to go. Make sure you don't press it too much. Beginning, there we go. Okay, perfect, I like it. Now we press it a little bit more, remove the masking tape. Takes about 24 hours to probably harden properly, so don't go through car washes and whatnot for 24 hours, and then you're good. If it's too hot where you're applying it, put the vehicle in the shade first. If it's too cold in the winter time, do it underground garage or something. So there we go. Now let's close the tailgate and enjoy the end result. I think it looks really good. It adds this chrome element, and it matches really well with super all-wheel control, diamond, triple diamond badge, and that Outlander itself. And it looks really, really good. So this is one of those things where it just adds this one little chrome element. It looks good, but it's not too much. So there we have it. We just checked out how to install this beautiful garnish piece on your tailgate. The other thing, like I mentioned, you could probably put the bumper protector plate. Is also going to be chrome. Might look like it's too much chrome, might not, so we can figure that out at some point as well. But thank you so much for watching this install process. Hope you like it, and see you in next videos.